Travel World Online team had an interview with Mrs. Komal Seth, founder and director of Lincoln Reps Private Limited. Here's what she said.
Hi, my name is Komal Seth. I'm the director for Lincoln Reps Private Limited. We are a representation company. We are here at SATE to meet and greet people, to meet the travel industry. As a company, we represent Tour Blue DMC, which is a boutique DMC in Sri Lanka. And we also represent Sri Lankan Holidays, which is a beautiful program by the Sri Lankan Airlines to promote Sri Lankan tourism in collaboration with the airline and all the DMC partners. Um, Lincoln takes pride in knowing travel media for many years and also getting support from them. And in the meanwhile, we've also tried to support them. So this is a great platform, and thank you for having us over here today. Please reach out to us if you have any queries for Sri Lanka or Dubai, and we'll be able to help you on that. The birth of Lincoln happened in 2015 with the inception and a thought in the mind that we should also get into the space of promoting tourism products through the right platforms. It obviously began with promoting all our partners through B2B media. That's why we have a special love for media. Lincoln pioneers in marketing, sales, and PR support for travel-related products. We have a team in Delhi as well as in Bombay, and satellite offices all over India. And the the final goal for Lincoln, more than its own publicity, is that we as a community grow the Indian travel industry and maintain the parity of Indian travelers being the number one travelers throughout the world. And we, as a company within the travel industry, take pride in that. While I think B2B platforms such as SATE or OTM, and to name a few, are very good for human interaction, but in today's day and age, when we are so busy traveling, having the right app to give you the apt vendors that you're looking at the right time is the need of an hour, because travel is really growing in India and we need ready-made apps which I can see on my phone during when I travel, when I'm in the car, or when I'm sitting for a meeting, just to have a vendor production interaction right there, right now, as they say. So I think an app which helps us connect on the B2B platform in the right way will be something that I would look forward to. I meet so many people, I remember their faces, sometimes I don't remember their names, and sometimes I remember what they do, but I'm not able to remember them at the right opportunity that my partner needs. It's a time of technology, it's a time of AI, and the more we move in lieu with technology, the better we can grow. Thank you.
You are watching Travel World Online.